family was one of the very first to suffer.
Beatrice Lagada is a government official whose home lies 30 miles west of northern Uganda's main city of Gulu. Her brother-in-law was home on leave from a demanding job in the south.
The rebels came and abducted him. He was a very senior police officer. They took him to the bush. He had a family of 7, and they shot him from the back. And we never saw him again. Because all of a sudden, instead of my 4 children, I now had an additional 7 children to bring up. Practically everyone in this land, in northern Uganda, here is a story to tell.
We've all been victims. I had my own nieces blown off into pieces. We couldn't even bury. There was no leg or head to bury.
For me, the level of trauma is incredible.
I sometimes get emotionally taken up together with them. For example, like for me, I'm a widow. My husband was killed by rebels also. When they come with their stories, I sometimes lose my control.